Hey there, ADB024 Aaron here. I'm on my way home here. It's a pretty heavy rainstorm, windstorm, just raining cats and dogs out here. But as you can see, the road is blocked here. Got a tree blocking the road here. So luckily, you know, I'm pretty prepared. Out here in Oregon, you always want to have a four-wheel drive. One thing I don't have is a winch. A nice chain, I'll drag that out of the road. But luckily I got my chainsaw with me, so I'll be able to cut that out of there and into some pieces and drag it out of there. Alright guys, I got the chainsaw here. I'm just gonna cut this in half so I can move it out of here a little bit easier. Let's see here. Alright guys, so I just cut it in half, that way I can drag it out a little bit easier. It's a pretty big size tree here. See, here in Oregon in the tree, out in the wilderness here, you always want a four-wheel drive. You always want your chainsaw, you always want flashlights, possibly your bug out bag if you're real extreme. Rain gear, it's raining hard. And you always want your gun too. Alright, let's see if we can get through there now. Alright, easy does it. Oh shit.